Some tragic news coming in. A MiG-21 Bison aircraft of IAF was involved in a fatal accident this morning while taking off for a combat training mission at an airbase in central India. The IAF lost Group Captain A. Gupta in the tragic accident. A court of inquiry has now been ordered to determine the cause of this accident right here. Let me cut across to Shiv Arur joining us. More details on that. Shiv, very tragic. We've lost Captain A. Gupta in this tragic accident. What really happened, if you can recount?
Very, very sad news this morning, Nabila. Group Captain Gupta was the pilot of this MiG-21 Bison that crashed shortly after takeoff in central India. We understand it was somewhere near Gwalior where the aircraft actually crashed this morning. A court of inquiry has gone into the details, but this was a combat training mission, which is, the standard flying missions that take place with every fighter squadron. Group Captain Gupta was a test pilot. He was from the tactics school that the Indian Air Force has in Gwalior. He had recently been assigned to take over as commanding officer of this MiG-21 squadron in central India. The reason, the details of what happened to this aircraft are not known just yet. But as you know, the MiG-21 has had a troubled past. There have been several crashes, including with fatalities, in the many years that this aircraft has been in service. The MiG-21 continues to be in service in pretty large numbers with the Indian Air Force. Over 100 aircraft continue to fly with frontline squadrons. We saw the MiG-21s participate in the post-Balakot air skirmish over the line of control as well. Group Captain Gupta, Group Captain, I should tell our viewers, is the equivalent of Colonel in the Army, Nabila. The precise details of what happened in this aircraft are not known just yet. Suffice it to say that Group Captain Gupta was a highly qualified pilot. He was a test pilot, and to become a commanding officer of a unit, you've got to be an absolutely, amazing aviator, which he was. There couldn't have been anything wrong there. There must have been some kind of aircraft trouble. This is already an aircraft that has had trouble in the past. It's an aging platform. It's been very controversial as well, thanks to the number of deaths that have happened owing to this aircraft. So we're still awaiting details, but a very, very tragic day. A group captain, a commanding officer in the Indian Air Force has lost his life in a crash.
All right, Shiv, thank you very much. Very upsetting news here. MiG-21 Bison, we lost an IAF officer, Captain A. Gupta, in this tragic accident. He got out this morning, taking off for a combat training mission at the airbase in central India, while it crashed and he lost his life. We're going to try and get details on the probe as to exactly what caused the crash in due course of time.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.